Guiding new home. This is what I am all about. Helping people find or sell either their first home, 30th home, vacation home, nonetheless, is your home. With a reputation for placing clients' needs, goals, and objectives at the forefront. 3 bedrooms, 2-bath home on 1.14 acres in Greenback. Open floor plan with huge kitchen, new floors in kitchen and bathroom, large driveway, huge lot, new fence enclosing the backyard, and new entertaining deck, ducts cleaned and ready to move in. Property is a go and show. Seller will turn off alarm remotely. Cameras and hub for security system can stay if wanted.